Hey guys, this is Haris from teamandroid.com, and here I am at the Huawei Mate 20 Pro launch event here in Dubai. It's a regional launch event for the region of the region of the Middle East, Pakistan, India, and a number of other Gulf countries. So here's the new Huawei Mate 20 Pro in front of me. Let me quickly go through the specs of the phone. The phone comes with 6 GB RAM. It has an internal storage of 120 GB. It comes with external storage space, and it doesn't support the standard micro SD card. In fact, it supports something called NM card. It's a new format for a lot more storage. The phone comes with a 6.39 inches AMOLED display. It's a gorgeous display, and in fact I must say the phone itself looks amazingly beautiful. This is the twilight color with me. There are about 3 or 4 more colors available, but my favorite one is the twilight. Huawei has literally nailed the paint job on this phone, and I love it. Other features of this phone include the phone is powered by the new Kirin 980 processor. It is the fastest and the most advanced processor available for a smartphone so far. The phone it comes with a dual NPU inside it, which means the phone it kind of means that the phone has like 2 brains inside it, so it functions much more efficiently and a lot more faster for your day-to-day functions. It also helps the phone to understand the patterns of usage and optimize your battery and other features according to your needs and usage time. The phone is powered by Android 9 Pie, and it comes with EMUI 9, which is Huawei's skin on top of Android. The EMUI is on top of all Android phones by Huawei. The phone is powered by a 4,200 mAh battery. That means the phone should last you easily throughout the day, or maybe even a little more. Here's the camera setup. The camera setup includes the main sensor is a 40 megapixel camera at the back. Then there is a 20 megapixel sensor, and then there is an 8 megapixel sensor at the back. This is a slightly different 3-camera setup than what we saw on the Huawei P20 Pro. And at the front, this phone has a 24 megapixel sensor. When it comes to charging, this phone comes with 40 watts supercharged. That means you can use a high-powered charger like that of a MacBook to supercharge your phone. That means you can charge your phone up to speeds like let's say it can go up till you can charge up 30 minutes of in like 30 minutes of time you can charge 70% of battery. So that's a lot, and the charging speed is super fast. And the best part is the phone comes with wireless charging, and the one thing that comes different into this phone is the wireless charging in this phone can go reverse. That means you can charge other wirelessly charged gadgets using the back of the Huawei Mate 20 Pro. So for instance, if I have a set of wireless earbuds or a set of AirPods, or even another phone that supports wireless charging, and it's running out of battery juice, I can just place the phone at the back of this phone, and the phone will start charging using the battery inside this. So that's something new that we've seen on smartphones, something unique. So another thing that what they've done is there is no speaker grill on the phone. If you notice, there's just like something I really appreciate. The red power button at the right side, and there are the 2 volume keys. At the top, they have an infrared sensor, a secondary mic. The left side is completely clean, no buttons. So that means there is no speaker grill on the phone. What Huawei has done in this phone is that the speaker is built right inside the USB-C slot, and as per Huawei, even if you plug in the cable and when you play music on it, the sound will be equally divided on the right and left sides of the phone, and no sound quality will be affected or any loudness. So this is pretty much it from my side about this phone. We'll have more when we have a full hands-on with the device back in Pakistan, and we'll do a full video review of this device. So this is it from my side. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you soon in our next video. So bye bye. Thanks guys.
Okay, and this is even worse.